Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Test of Oral Past Question. Question number 46. The instruction here is on emphatic stress, and when we talk of emphatic stress is known as contrast stress. So the question centers on emphatic stress, and we are looking at the word that is direct contrast to the word in capital letters or the capitalized letter. Now the sentence says the man brought the newspaper. The man brought the newspaper, and the word in capital is brought. So, and the standard for emphatic stress is that we must look for a word that can construct this word that is also of the same grammatical class. So the word brought is a verb. Now option A says, did the woman bring the newspaper? No. Did the man bring a newspaper? No. Did the man bring the magazine? No. Did the man read the newspaper? Yes, because read is in contrast to the word brought. Therefore option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.